Welcome back. In our last video, we studied about depreciation, what is depreciation, methods of charging depreciation, and introduction about straight line method. Now we are going to solve one numerical of straight line method. Machinery is purchased for 1 lakh on 1st April 2023. 10% depreciation is charged as per straight line method, and the same machinery was sold on 31st March 2025 for rupees 60,000. We are asked to prepare machinery account. So first of all, machinery was purchased for 1 lakh on 1st April 2023. So entry will be 1st April 2023. Debit side of machinery account debit to bank account. So to bank account 1 lakh. 10% depreciation every year will be charged at the end of the year as per straight line method. So 2024 March 31st by depreciation. What is the entry for charging depreciation? It's depreciation account debit to machinery account. So by depreciation account, 10% of original cost, which is 1 lakh. So 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. For the whole year it will be charged. Then we have to balance both the sides. Here the total is 1 lakh. It should be 1 lakh here also. So we'll balance by writing by balance CD 90,000. Okay. Next year this balance carried down will be the opening balance for the next year. To balance BD 90,000. 1st April 2024. To balance BD 90,000. Now again at the same year, at the year end we'll be charging the depreciation. So by depreciation account, date will be 31st March 2025. 10% of original cost. Original cost was 1 lakh. So it's 10,000. Now on the same date we have sold this machinery. So when we sell, we do 3 calculations. We write 3 entries. Depreciation entry, by bank entry when the machinery is sold, and we find out profit or loss on sale of the machinery. So by depreciation we have written. Second entry will be by bank, machinery sold. So by bank account on the same day. It was sold for 60,000. And now third thing, we have to find profit or loss from sale of machinery. How do we find out? See, 90,000 was our opening balance at the beginning of this year. 10,000 depreciation we have charged. So 90,000 is the balance BD. 10,000 depreciation we have charged. So 80,000 is the value left on the day when we have sold the machinery. 80,000 is the value of the machinery, but it was sold for 60,000. Now write in the comment box whether we have profit or loss from the sale of machinery. So machinery value was of 80,000. It was sold for 60,000. So 20,000 loss. So entry will be P&L account debit to machinery account for writing the loss from sale of machinery. So here we'll write by P&L account 20,000. So this is how both the sides are tallied. So whenever we sell the asset, we do 3 calculations. By bank entry we do sale of the asset. Next, depreciation will charge for the time for which the asset is with us, and third, we find out profit or loss from sale of the asset. Thank you.